All right, guys, so we're back at it. We went out and saw, we got some new baby goats. We got 2 new ones. I think we got more on the way. I think we got 1, 2, maybe 3 more that are gonna have babies. Not 100% sure, but those 3 typically are the ones that would have babies. So anyway, but trying to decide what I want to do. If I want to get the tractor part in here and start making the other tractor part and do some fabricating, or if we need to get all the parts down for cheese grater, which I think that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go into a time warp here of me getting all the parts laid out in front to make sure I've got everything, and then we'll go from there. So y'all hang out. We'll be back. Hard part is putting all the tools up now. Fun, fun. Yep, gotta put the pressure washer up. Alright guys, so we have gotten all this pressure washed and cleaned up. Take it in there to dry. It's probably gonna do it for the day. Got church tonight. Still got to, actually I'm gonna do one more thing on the tractor, but we're gonna finish up today and be out here bright and early tomorrow morning and start all over again. Hopefully this time we're gonna get some parts actually on cheese grater, seeing as how that's what we're trying to do this week. But appreciate y'all watching. Hit that little notification, let you know when I put a video out. We had a video come out tonight, which is Wednesday the 6th. Comes out at 7 p.m. So hopefully y'all like that one. It's really working on the tractor, called Tractor Time Part 2. Anyway guys, I appreciate it. We'll see y'all later. Y'all have a blessed. Well, good morning. Today is cheese grater day. We're going to be working on putting parts on cheese grater. We're going to try to clean up some of this, see what happens. Well, that's messy and noisy. Blow this thing off real quick. The other day when I sandblasted or water jetted all this stuff, you can see we've got some rust. A lot of it's surface rust, some of it's, oh look, there's some Bondo right there. But yeah, you can see why we call this cheese grater. But we put some stuff called rust reformer on it. This right here, it just converts the rust over to a paintable and sandable surface. It goes from clear to black, and it just basically stops the rust from progressing, supposedly. We'll find out. But I'm not going to spend the time really to fix a lot of this because it's just cheese grater. It's shop truck. I could spend all the money in the world fixing all this stuff or buy new fenders and all that stuff, but really why? I mean, it's a rat rod, hot rod, you know. We're gonna fix some of the stuff on it, but I'm not too much worried about it. It's gonna be in areas where you can't see, and it's gonna have some paint on it, so we'll go from there. But let this air compressor charge up. You can see we've already got the radiator support, and we're going to start putting the inner fender wells on it. So let's get this tightened down. Got my seat. ratchet. Pretty sad when you can't find the bolts that you took everything apart with, so you gotta come up with new ones. Well, this is lovely. I don't know how all this goes together. Well, that can't be right there. All right, time to look at some pictures. Well, now I know why nothing's lining up. Notice the hood on this one, and as the truck cranks up. I was wondering what this was for right over here. Yeah, Home Slice got them on, this is that side and that is this side. I got them on backwards. So we're gonna take them back off and fix it. I was like, this doesn't seem right. It's not working right. What we got going on here? And it's also blocking the heater core hole. I'm a big dummy. Yep. So I had to go back and look at pictures from before. And craziness, man, craziness. What got me was I knew the battery box was on the right, was on the passenger side, not the driver's side. So I knew that's what was wrong. But we're gonna get this side mounted now. We're back at it. Had to stop. Can y'all see me? Hello. I got it way down low. Sorry. We just got back from getting a bite to eat. Got one side on, inner fender on. Now we're going to the other side. I was kind of wondering maybe I need to put the heater core in it, but in all honesty, I'm not ready for the heater core yet. So anyway, we're going on with the second one. Try a new tool I got. Works pretty well. Doesn't like this battery. All I'm really trying to do is get this cleaned up to where I can paint them on the inside. Let's get some paint for them. All that is, guys, is some rust reformer. Makes it to where it's a sandable, paintable surface. So we're gonna So I was just saying that I didn't know that the camera was not recording, was that it's been 3 years since this truck has been taken apart. All the lovely just craziness see that? I know where this part goes now. This part goes on down to the bottom, but we're going to take that over and sandblast it. So that'll be for a later time. This is really freaking cool. We can put that on. Now you know all this stuff is just temporary. This is not a permanent install. But I've got to get it to where I can start running my wiring and all my fuel lines and wires and everything. All right. Well, that's part of it. We're gonna see what we can do next.